Hi, my name is Christopher, and ever since I started the boot camp, I've lost over 11.5 pounds. And guess what? That was within 1 week. And my mom and I took a week off, came back. This is our second day back after that 1 week off. 11.5 pounds. Okay, and I cheated about more than 5 times already. I don't know why I should be telling this, but I cheated 5 times and I still managed to lose that weight. As long as you're dedicated, you do what the exercise is, you do what Tyrone says at home, besides the boot camp, guaranteed you're going to lose the weight.